Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn. I am the owner and artist for Jessica Lynn Original Studios at JessicaLynnOriginal.com. So today I thought we would use the Brothers Scan and Cut and create some really fun bats that you can print off, hang them up for decor, really kind of bring that Halloween atmosphere. And then when the season is over, you just throw them away. Or if they're in great shape, you could put them away. So the way I did it was I went out to Google, searched bats, found this adorable pattern. Then what I did was I printed it off using my printer, and now what I'm doing is I'm scanning it into my Brothers Scan and Cut. So think about the Brothers Scan and Cut just like a scanner, right? It's going to scan it in, it's going to take a look at that image, and then it's going to optimize my shape or whatever design I'm trying to do. So it could be a square, a circle, it could be any kind of template for crafting. So basically it goes ahead and it finds that bat. So watch what it does here. It's going to go ahead and recognize that pattern. And there it is. So now I have the option to cut the bat out or I could save it as a template, which is my plan. What I want to do is go ahead and narrow down the outline. So I just want it to figure out just that bat, right? So if I had a bunch of images on my screen, I could scan it multiple times and make multiple patterns. So once I've got it all set, it's going to go ahead and find the outline. Now, what I really love about this is it will find that outline, and I'm going to just intensify the black. We're going to save the pattern, and now it's on my machine. So now what I can do is go to the Save Patterns. Let me just scroll. There it is. So there's the outline of my bat. Now, one of the cool things about the Brothers Scan and Cut is I can go ahead and import as many bats as I want. So you can see I keep hitting add, and keep adding that same bat over and over again, and it will optimize it on a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. So I'm going to add a whole bunch of them, and then I'm going to say to the Brothers Scan and Cut, okay, figure out how to make at the same size, how many of this bat can I do? Now you can see I'm just tossing them up there just to kind of get an idea. But what I love is that it will optimize it for me. And then at the end when I'm done, if I find that I can cut, let's just make up a number like 12, right? I could save that pattern for the 12 by 12 sheet rather than the individual bat. So watch what we're going to do. So now we're just going to add, saved, bat, add, saved, bat. Over and over again. Now I'm going to say, okay, optimize. And you can see how it optimized it for me. It's so cool. So I can adjust the size of each individual bat once I get a whole bunch of them on there. Or I could say, you know what, however you have to do it, make it work. And that's that button up ahead. So you can see that one up on top. See, there you go, that one. This one will be the most creative way of using the paper, but the bats might be all over the place. See how, look at that, how, that's perfect. So then what we're going to do is once we have the pattern, I'm going to go ahead and put the color paper or whatever I choose. And the cool part is I don't have to just choose black paper, right? Or white paper or green, purple, whatever color, right? I opted here, you can see, for this black and white with dotted lines on it. I thought, you know, that'll be fun, add some texture to the wall. And I'll be really honest, when it's all done, it looks so cool. So let me go ahead, we're going to cut this out, and let me show you what these adorable little bats look like. And as you can see, a big part of this is truly just the amount of time that it takes to cut these little bats out. Now, let me show you. Now, a couple of them, let me just get them off this page. Look at how cute they look. They are so cute. Let me just bring those bats back over. Look at how cute. Now, at first I was like, I don't know if I like the black and white lines, but wait until they hang up on the wall. They look so good. And the best part about these is you can just use a little bit of masking tape and right up on the wall. The fun part is to make a whole collection of these, and you can put them up. I've also seen people on eBay and on Etsy offer them for sale. So if you're interested, I mean, you could even figure out your own pattern and then make, you know, some Halloween sales based off these. Now, the bats themselves, what I would encourage is that you fold them kind of right at the base of the wing. Throw that extra paper away. Here we go. All right, so there they are. They're looking cute. All right, let's get these up on a wall. Now, excuse the office. I'm going to put them up in the studio, but let me just show you. I've got a little bit of tape. Just a little tape. And we're going to roll this tape, put it right on the back of one of these. Boom, just like that. And then you just fold their wings. Super easy. That's it. I mean, this could be a really fun project. Like if you don't have a brother scan and cut that you could do with your kids, you could have them, you could trace them, or your kids could trace them, and then you could all cut them out together. The brother scan and cut's nice because I can optimize it on a sheet of paper, and it'll just do it for me quickly. So there's pros and cons to both. I mean, I suppose the amount of time it took me to set up the brother scan and cut versus the amount of time it would take me to trace it and then have the kids do it. I mean, it's fine. But super easy, and these look so cool. I can't wait for you to see this. Just rolling them up here real quick. That's my space full of all kinds of Copics and fun creative tools back there in the background. Love those glossy accents too. Those are fun. All right, let's go ahead and take this over and we will put them up. So they're all taped and ready. So now we walk them on over to the wall, or we could fly them all. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Let's go ahead and put them up on the wall so you can see what they look like. I'll turn the light on. There we go. So you can see there's my JessicaLynnOriginal wall, and look at how cool these look. See, and I kind of like it with the white line because it almost adds some shadow and depth. So I don't know, it's kind of fun. I really dig it. So you saw how fast they were. I mean, literally, I did this video in live time and I did not fast forward any of it because I wanted to show you from start to finish. You could do these in 10 minutes or less. So literally, if you said, I need some Halloween decor, I only have 10 minutes, that's how fast you could do this. So anyway, I hope it inspired you. If you have any questions, toss them down below. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'd love to have you come join us again. We got a lot of Halloween stuff coming. I do thank you, and I'd love to hear from you. Again, if you have any questions or anything. Otherwise, be sure just to subscribe so that we send you that notification when our next video is available. Take care, everybody, and happy Halloween. Bye, everybody.